area right here is going to be in front of us. It's going to be like a mini prairie. And the cool thing about prairies, Missouri is historically tall grass prairie. And prairies are going to sequester or hold in carbon from the atmosphere a lot better than trees can. So this is a great space to have a prairie. It's going to keep water on your property for as long as possible. Native plants, which we're using, are also going to hold in pesticides before they can get into the street, into our waterways, and into the river. We don't want to do that.
And hadn't you talked about doing some berms here too that helps create that space for the drainage to happen and holding some moisture for some of the different plantings too?
Yes, so by the way that it's sloped, water can leave your property very quickly.
Yes.
So with creating a little bit of a berm and a couple of those, we're going to hold the water for a little bit longer before it leaves your property.
Okay.
So yeah.